Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. As Holi is around the corner, I want to share a special drink Thandai recipe with you all. This Thandai recipe is healthy, vegan and good for weight loss as well. I made it no sugar and dairy free version. I'm going to share two flavors of Thandai drink. One is classic and another one is rose. Who hears Thandai for the first time? Thandai is a popular and refreshing Indian beverage drink recipe made with a combination of dry fruits, seeds and spices which are said to have a cooling effect on the body and hence the name Thandai, which means in Hindi cooling. This homemade Thandai premix powder tastes far better and smells fresh than the store-bought. All you need is 5 minutes of your time to make this instant Thandai masala powder made without any preservatives. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. First, let's make an instant Thandai masala powder. Check out the ingredients. Check the description box below for the written recipe. We need 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of cashews, 1/4 cup of pistachios, 1/4 cup of melon seeds, 1/4 cup of dried rose petals, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1½ tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of cardamom pods and ½ teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Let's get started. To the blender jar, add almonds, cashews, melon seeds, pistachios, dried rose petals, black peppercorns, fennel seeds, poppy seeds, cardamom pods and the nutmeg powder. Close the lid and blend it into a coarse or fine powder according to your preference. If you have a time, you can soak these ingredients for at least 6 hours and grind them to a paste. Guys, it smells too good. A fresh homemade Thandai masala mix is ready. Store it in an airtight container. It stays good for 2 to 3 months at room temperature. Next, let's see how to make healthy version of Thandai drink. First, check out the ingredients to make classic Thandai. We need 1½ cups of milk. I have taken homemade almond milk. You can use any dairy or non-dairy milk of your choice. 3 to 4 ice cubes, a pinch of saffron strands, 5 to 6 dates, adjust as per your sweetness, few chopped pistachios and 1 tablespoon of homemade Thandai masala powder. Let's get started. To the blender jar, add milk, ice cubes, dates and instant Thandai mix. Blend it together. Our super delicious and healthy classic Thandai drink is ready. Garnish it with few chopped pistachios, saffron strands and a few rose petals. Enjoy it cold. Let's check out the ingredients for rose flavored Thandai drink. We need 1½ cup of almond milk, 3 to 4 ice cubes, a pinch of saffron strands, 2 to 3 dates, adjust as per your sweetness, few chopped pistachios, 1 tablespoon of Thandai masala powder, 2 tablespoons of rose syrup and a few drops of rose essence. To the blender jar, add milk, ice cubes, dates, Thandai mix, rose syrup. I'm using homemade rose syrup. I have shared the recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it or check the playlist in the end. And add a few drops of rose essence. This is optional. Close the lid and blend it together. Our super delicious rose flavored Thandai drink is ready. My kids love this flavor. Garnish it with pistachios, saffron strands and rose petals. Serve it and enjoy it cold. Enjoy your Holi. And this drink is so healthy, you can give it to kids. If you are pregnant, you can take this. It's so healthy for you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.